There's a statement to Imam Ibn Ata al-Sakandari, and if everybody learned this one, the life would be very different. He said in Arabic, قومي حيث أقامك الله, or قم حيث أقامك الله. Stand up where Allah wants you to stand up, or stand up where Allah made you stand up. It's a very deep statement. So when Allah put you as a mother, because this is how it is, woman, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a daughter, I'm a full-time employee, right? And I am a woman, I want to take care of myself. And I want to please Allah, and I want to study. And then the moment you start counting, you get overwhelmed. You didn't even start anything. So forget the numbers. So in this moment, this day, this year, where did He put you number one? For example, if you are pregnant, so you're pregnant, meaning you're a servant of Allah in the pregnant state. So I'm not going to expect I am going to do what if I'm not pregnant, I'm going to do, because there's a limited ability in me. But that doesn't mean I am not a servant of Allah, or I am not pleasing Him the way He wants. So apply this on everything. Because what happens is, let's say a woman deliver a baby and she decided she doesn't want to work anymore. How do we look at her? Oh, you stayed home? Why? You know what I'm saying? And then she starts feeling guilty. Now she wants to go out and work. Again, I'm not talking about people who need to work. I'm talking about people, their choices. We don't need to make others feel, or we feel less in where Allah put us, because I am serving Him. So if Allah put me, again, if I'm in the kitchen cooking, preparing meal for dinner, that doesn't mean I am less than when I'm seeing a patient in my office. Could be, Allah knows, I am more pleasing to Allah in that kitchen, preparing the meal for my children, and especially if I don't like it. And my joy is not in cooking. And people are different. But I'm doing it because that's what He wants me to do. Rest assured, your reward from Allah is way more, or I will say more, but at least not less than when I am seeing a patient in the office, because He put me at that moment as a mother, and He wants me to serve my family.